Thank you, teaching me how to love, showing me what the world means.
Timothy, kamay mo.
And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I've ever hoped for, and the love that's what I hope for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing that our love will pull me through. Thanks to you. There's no mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will see me through. Thanks to you. Thanks to you. Teaching me how to live, holding things in perspective, teaching me how to give and how to take. No mistake, we were put here together, and without breakdown, forgive me, God.